SBA Publications.
Hello everyone. I hope that you all are good at your place. Dear kids, today we are going to start your chapter number 5 of the computer. And the name of your chapter is Keyboard Special Keys. So let's start without any delay with me. So, your chapter is Keyboard Special Keys. And in this chapter we will learn identify and use the special and punctuation keys. Recall that certain keys are used in combinations, functions of different types of keys on a keyboard, right? So this is your warm-up exercise. In this warm-up exercise, the keyboard wants to meet the other part of the computer, help the keyboard to make a complete computer system. Okay, so here you can just find the way and complete the given activity, right? I hope that you people will enjoy this activity. Now I am moving towards your types of key. That is the very first topic. The small buttons on the keyboards are called keys. A keyboard has different type of keys. A standard keyboard has 104 keys. You can type characters by pressing the keys on the keyboard and same will appear on the monitor. We have already learned about alphabets and number keys in our previous session. Okay, हमने number keys और alphabet keys के बारे में अपनी previous classes में पढ़ लिया है. Okay, so हम लोग जो है alphabet and number key के बारे में अपनी previous classes में पढ़ चुके हैं. Okay, and alphabet keys help us to type letters and numbers. Keys help us to type numbers on the screen. Let's discuss about other keys. देखिए, alphabet keys alphabet और number key numbers type करने के काम में आती है, right? Let us discuss about other key. आइए कुछ other keys के बारे में भी discussion करें. Keys of keyboard. Students, these are the keys of the keyboard, that is alphabet keys. Arrow key will be like that, symbols key will be like that, numbers key will be like that, functions key will be like that, and special keys are like this. Okay, even all these are the special keys, means enter key, shift key, caps lock key, delete key, control key, space bar key and backspace key. Clear hai? Now first we will talk about the caps lock key. Location. Caps lock key is located on the left side of the keyboard. The key which you will be see at the left side of the keyboard, that will be the caps lock key. Okay, when caps lock key is turned on, a light glow on the keyboard. जब caps lock key on होती है तो keyboard पे एक light glow होती है. Okay, use caps lock key का क्या use होता है? The caps lock key is used to type letters in capital. So what is the use of caps lock key? The use of caps lock key is used to type the letters in capital form. Students, in your notebook also, you used to write the letters in small and capital form. So, in the computer, if you want to type your letter in capital form, so you have to use the caps lock key. Okay? When you will switch on the caps lock key, your letters will turn in capital form. If the key is on, all the letters will be typed in capital form. You have to just check here if the key is on. अगर key on है तो आपके सारे letters जो है वो capital form में type होंगे. To turn off the functions, press the caps lock key again. अगर आप इस functions को off करना चाहते हैं तो आपको caps lock key को दोबारा से press करना पड़ेगा, right? Next here we have shift key. Okay, now this is the location of the shift key, that where you will find your shift key on the keyboard. There are two shift keys present on the keyboard. Keyboard पे दो shift key present होती है. कौन कौन सी होती है? One of them is on the left side, just below the caps lock key. Caps lock key से just नीचे होती है left side पे एक. दूसरी, the other is on the right side, just below the enter key. दूसरी enter key के just नीचे होती है right side पे. Okay. The shift key is a special key that performs many function. Shift key जो है वो एक special key है जो different functions perform करती है. If you press the shift key while typing the letters, they will be appear as capital letters on the screen. अगर आप shift key के साथ में letters को press करेंगे तो आपके letters जो है वो screen पे capital form में type हो सकते हैं. Okay. If you press it with the caps lock key on while typing capital letters, it will be type small letters. While your caps lock key will be on और आपको letters type करने हैं most probably capital में लेकिन कुछ smalls में, तो आप बार बार caps lock की on off नहीं कर सकते हैं. So what you will do then, you will just keep on typing the capital letter and meanwhile if you want to type small letter you have to press the shift key. तो आपके जो letters हैं वो small में type होना start हो जाएंगे. Okay? The shift key is mainly used along with other keys. Shift key को हम most probably दूसरी key के साथ ही use करते हैं. The number key from 0 to 9 is on the keyboard have some special character marked above the numbers. These characters are like colon, semicolon, hash, as at the rate, dollar, percentage, this one and many more are here. So if you want to type these kind of special character, you have to press the shift key with them. Okay. Next we have arrow key. Now what is the location of the arrow key? These keys are placed on the left side of the numeric keypad. Okay. These kind of key you will see at the left side of the numeric keypad. Okay. These keys are known as up arrow, down arrow, left arrow and right arrow. इनको हम up arrow, down arrow, left arrow और right arrow के नेम से जानते हैं. ठीक है. The left arrow key is also known as back arrow and the right arrow key is also known as forward arrow. We can move the cursor up, down, left and right using these key. हम लोग cursor को move करते हैं जैसे up, down, left and right. इसी तरह से हम इन keys का use भी कर सकते हैं. ठीक है. These keys are especially used in games as they allow the player to move in any direction. इन कीज का यूज हम बेसिकली गेम्स में करते हैं जहां हमें प्लेयर्स को इधर से उधर डायरेक्शंस में मूव करना हो. ठीक है. वी कैन ऑल्सो सेलेक्ट टेक्स्ट बाय प्रेसिंग द एरो की वाइल होल्डिंग डाउन द शिफ्ट की. हम लोग टेक्स्ट को भी सिलेक्ट कर सकते हैं शिफ्ट के साथ में एरो की का यूज करके. ओके. नाउ दिस इज योर facts.com. The arrow key are also called cursor control key as they help to move the cursor on the screen. Whenever in any condition आपका माउस खराब हो गया है तो आप कुछ समय के लिए एरो की के सेटिंग करके एरो की से भी पॉइंटर को कंट्रोल कर सकते हैं. ओके. नेक्स्ट वी हैव escape key and the location of the escape key is it is the first key of the keyboard. It is used to exit from something you are working on. ठीक है. अब escape key में जो है आप किसी भी चीज़ से exit होना चाहते हैं, बाहर आना चाहते हैं, उस कंडीशन में हम escape key का यूज़ करते हैं और ये आपको सबसे कॉर्नर पे मिलेगी. कहाँ पर मिलेगी? सबसे कॉर्नर पे कीबोर्ड में. ओके. लेफ्ट हैंड साइड कॉर्नर. Symbol keys. The keys with different symbols such as these etc. marked on them are symbol key. Okay. Symbol keys are mostly present on the number key and with alphabet key. To type any symbol such as @ percentage or dollar, you can need to press shift key along with the symbol key. Okay. As I told you that if you want to type any special character, so you should use shift key with that special character. Clear है? Next we have function key. Function keys are used to perform special tasks. There are total 12 function keys. That is F1 to F12. So, how many functions key we have? 12. F1 to F12. Okay. For example, F1 is used for help. Next, key points. Here we have completed your chapter. Now we are moving towards your key points. Okay. The small buttons on the keyboards are called keys. A standard keyboard has 104 keys. The caps lock key is used to type the letter in capital letters. There are 2 shift key present on the keyboard. The delete key is also known as del for short. The backspace key is used to erase the text to the left of the cursor. Function key are used to perform special tasks. There are total 12 function keys. Clear? So, now we have completed your chapter here, and this is your part to complete the exercise by yourself on the behalf of the explanation of the chapter. Right? Now we will meet in the next class with a new topic. Meanwhile, you have to just keep on learn your today's topic. Okay? Take care of yourself. Goodbye.